Now that you've learned about the 6 characteristics of life, it's time to apply what you've learned. I want to just give you a brief overview of what you need to do for this Marty and the car assignment. What I'd like you to do is copy the assignment information into a Word document so that you can copy and paste it into the submission box later. Read and answer both sides of the argument in your own words, and then paste your answer into the submission box. Please do not submit your actual Word document. Let's take a look at what Marty and the car is all about. Marty Martian was sent to Earth by the Martian government to find life. While on Earth, Marty captured a car and brought it back to Mars. He thought he'd found a good example of life on Earth. The Martian government, however, does not believe that the car Marty brought back is alive. Marty must stand trial for failing to perform his Martian duties. At the trial, Marty spoke in his defense. "I first saw these life forms rolling along roads in great numbers. They were giving off thick clouds of poisonous waste as they moved. They seemed to exhibit herding behavior as many of the cars moved in the same direction. They appeared to have a great deal of energy. Some of them moved faster than 60 kilometers per hour. When one of these life forms stopped or slowed down, the others behind it responded. They slowed down and gave off a reddish light from the back, and sometimes they would make honking noises. I observed that they would stop to feed on a liquid substance." So from Marty's testimony, I would like you to give 5 good reasons why Marty would have believed that these cars were alive. And then using the 6 characteristics of life learned about in the previous assignment, you also need to give 5 reasons why the cars are not actually alive. And remember that credit will only be given if you include the characteristics that all living things must have. So, to remind you what those characteristics are, remember that living things must exhibit all of them. And they are: the organism must be made of cells, it must show levels of organization, it must use energy, it must be able to maintain homeostasis, it must be able to grow and develop and reproduce. So coming back over here to your assignment, I've given you space. 5 reasons why Marty believed the cars were alive from his testimony, and then 5 reasons that you know they are not alive. Make sure you use the characteristics that you see before you submit your answers. Good luck, and if you have questions, send me an email.